Ingredients are vanilla ice cream, bananas, maraschino cherries, coconut, crushed pineapple. Let's get started. Alright. So first thing you need to do is get your crushed pineapple. And you see all the juice in there. I got the one with the 100% pineapple juice in it. But I took some out and I drained it because I really don't want juice in my ice cream. So I'm going to, hold on. First add the pineapple. Then I'm going to put the bananas, the coconut, and then the cherry. So here we go. I know it looks messy, but there it is. What all you have to do is mix it all up because we don't have a Blizzard machine like Dairy Queen. But yep, there you go.